Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Analyst names 2 altcoins that can soar about 600% this cycle, updates outlook on Dogecoin. Next, U.S. regulators Mull approving Grayscale Crypto Index ETF. Also, Fundstrat's Tom Lee says markets set to rally into year-end regardless of election winner. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there are no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, Analyst names 2 altcoins that can soar about 600% this cycle, updates outlook on Dogecoin. A closely followed crypto analyst believes that 2 altcoins have the potential to skyrocket by as much as 5 times before this cycle is over. Pseudonymous analyst Altcoin Sherpa tells his 228,100 followers on the social media platform X that he's extremely bullish on the altcoin market. According to the analyst, even average altcoins will see massive price rallies if conditions turn bullish for crypto. Specifically, the trader sees decentralized Oracle network Chainlink, or Link, and the Layer 1 protocol Algorand, or Algo, printing gains between 400% and 600% before the current cycle comes to a close. Market average for shitcoins from here on out probably about 3 to 5 times for this cycle on the low end and 5 to 10 times for prices on the high end. Meaning, if you buy pretty much anything at this point in time, I expect it to go 3 to 5x. Here are 2 examples with Link and Algo. Looking at the trader's chart, he seems to predict that Link will surge by over 350% to revisit all-time high levels. As for Algo, Altcoin Sherpa shares a chart suggesting that an over 300% move will not even take the coin close to its all-time high of $3.56. Turning to the top meme coin Dogecoin, or Doge, Altcoin Sherpa thinks the altcoin is taking a breather before sparking a new leg up. This is the bottom you want to see for Doge, in my opinion. Lots of volatility and a range forming. At time of writing, Doge is trading for 0.159 cents. Altcoin Sherpa also names other coins that he thinks will do well once the market enters full bull territory. Mid-cap memes are taking a lot of mind share, and I still think stuff like Bonk, Pepe, Whiff probably outperforms a great percentage of utility coins. But if you're looking for utility, I would probably go new coins like Eigen, high float / older coins like FTM with rebrand, new infra coming out like Monad and VeChain, new coins that came out and down only, never pumped, aka Res and ZK, and those types. Lots of different ways to play the upcoming alt pump. Be flexible and prepared. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, U.S. regulators Mull approving Grayscale Crypto Index ETF. Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund could be the first U.S. ETF to hold altcoins such as Solana and AVAX if approved. United States regulators are reviewing a request to list the first exchange-traded fund to hold a diverse basket of cryptocurrencies, including several altcoins. Asset manager Grayscale said on November 4th. On October 29th, Securities Exchange NYSE Arca asked the Securities and Exchange Commission for permission to list shares of Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund, or GDLC. The proposed rule change, if adopted, would represent the first national securities exchange rule set permitting the listing and trading of shares of multi-crypto asset ETFs, Grayscale said. The fund holds a crypto index portfolio comprising Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, Avalanche, and XRP. It was created in 2018, but is not yet tradable on public exchanges. GDLC holds approximately $534 million in assets under management, or AUM, as of November 4th, according to Grayscale's website. Grayscale filed to convert the fund into an ETF on October 16th, only days before NYSE's filing. On November 4th, the NYSE's requested rule change was published in the Federal Register, starting a 240-day clock for the SEC to decide whether to clear the ETF for trading. Grayscale faces competition from other proposed index funds, including those from asset managers, Hashdex and Franklin Templeton, but GDLC is unique in including altcoins such as Soar, AVAX, and XRP. The Hashdex and Franklin Templeton funds aim to initially hold only BTC and ETH. Industry analysts say crypto index ETFs are the next big focus for issuers after ETFs holding BTC and ETF listed in January and July, respectively. The next logical step is index ETFs because indices are efficient for investors, just like how people buy the S&P 500 in an ETF. This will be the same in crypto. Caitlin Tischauser, head of investment research at crypto bank Signum, told Cointelegraph in August. Asset managers and exchanges are filing to register a flurry of proposed altcoin ETFs, including various funds holding Sol, XRP, and Litecoin, in what analysts are dubbing a call option on the outcome of the U.S. presidential election. Grayscale and NYSE Arca have taken a thoughtful approach toward developing a proposed rule set to permit the listing and trading of shares of multi-crypto asset ETPs within the SEC's existing standard, David Laval, Grayscale's global head of ETFs, said in a statement. Our next top headline, Fundstrat's Tom Lee says market set to rally into year-end regardless of election winner. Fundstrat managing partner and head of research Tom Lee says the markets are setting up to rally into 2025 no matter who wins the U.S. election. In a new interview on CNBC, Lee says that while the election has caused some trades to reverse, it's also placed cash on the sidelines and ready to boost markets when the uncertainty has passed. I'm bullish only in the sense that election uncertainty has caused people to de-risk and cash to sit on the sidelines, but the fundamentals have been good. Earnings seasons have been very good. The Fed is dovish, and I don't think it's going to matter who ends up in the White House, even if it's a split Congress or a sweep. I think markets do pretty well either way. So it sets up for a really good rally into year-end, but when it starts in November is just what we don't know. When asked about Warren Buffett's recent moves to hold more cash, Lee says the Berkshire Hathaway chairman will likely have to rethink his position next year when rates go down and holding cash becomes more costly. Buffett recently dumped over $10.5 billion worth of his Bank of America shares and slashed his JP Morgan and Wells Fargo holdings to zero. Says Lee, I know part of it is he's anticipating capital gains taxes could change, so he's taking those gains now, and he's not necessarily having a big cost of money because he's earning 5%, but next year the cost of money is going to drop, so he'll have some pressure to deploy it. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.